Hey folks, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you just landed here, do me a favor, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Today we're going to talk a little bit about my diet that I have going on. But first, I'm across the river on the other side of the Ohio River in the state of Kentucky. I used to live over here, now I live over in Ohio, but for those of you guys haven't seen the skyline of Cincinnati, Ohio, I'm going to show it to you right now for those that are just curious. That tall building over there, the tall building that you can see over there, I don't know how good that's going to show up, but the very tall building, that's about where I live. The tall building. One guy told me, I don't know if it's true or not, but that was like the experiment before they built the Empire State Building. So they built that building and then built the Empire State Building after that. That was like what they did first. Kind of like with the Roebling Bridge. There's a Roebling Bridge we have down there. It's a cool bridge, old bridge built in I think 1880 or something like that. And that was the same guy. He built that bridge there, and then he built the Brooklyn Bridge. Same guy, Roebling is his name. You can check it out on Wikipedia. I know that's true, but about that one, I don't know if that's true. So don't hold me to that. I don't know for sure. All right, folks, what I wanted to go into is that I'm gonna be going more into a ketogenic diet now. All throughout the summer since about April, or yeah, right around April, I have been eating a lot more carbs. So now I'm going to go into a ketogenic diet. So far since Thursday, after I returned back from my vacation, I have been eating very low carbs. All I've had are peppers. I've had maybe one pepper a day for the most part, and maybe two. Everything else has been meat, eggs, cheese with butter, and that's it. And I already can feel. One of the things I wanted to do is I told some people, like, hey, I'm doing a 10-day experiment going to Virginia, and I'm eating all those fried foods, more of the American standard diet, and getting through that stuff. And I can already notice a big difference. Like with the carbs, you get so much fluid into your muscles and everywhere. It kind of reminds me of anabolic steroids. So for example, for those that don't know, anabolic steroids, you will gain weight just from gaining water. You will gain a lot of weight from that. So like if I took a shot of testosterone right now, my body would suck up a bunch of water and fluid, and I would look bigger, almost a little bit puffier. I could see the guys that are taking it. There's a guy that I watch named Rich Cooper. I could see it in his face. I think he's taken about 200 milligrams plus of testosterone. You can see it in his face. Your face gets puffy too. And it's the same thing with the keto diet. So with the keto diet, it's like everything gets skinny, you lose all this fluid. You want to make sure you take your salt on it. And then you go to the carbs and you get all puffed up a little bit more. It's not as bad as anabolic steroids, obviously, but I'm just trying to make it as a point. And you get more puffed up. So I just find that interesting, because when I took all the stuff for steroids, I had high blood pressure. And a lot of that came from the excessive fluid. And once I got off of it, the high blood pressure would go away, or at least it was easier for it to go away. So anyhow, folks, I want to let you know that that's what I'm going to do. And then also too, what I'm going to do is probably for the couple weeks, I'm actually thinking about doing a 5-day water dry fast. I like to do water dry fast. So what does that mean? What does a water dry fast mean? The last time I did it is I did a 5-day fast with water on the first day, 3 days of no water, and then I reloaded with water on the 5th day. That's what I mean by that. There's other protocols that I've done too that help with a water dry fast. So if you're doing a water fast, you can do it like throughout the day. So start at 10 a.m., you stop drinking water, and then for 12 hours, you put some more water in there. So you do a dry fast during the day. So it depends on how you want to do it. I like to do water fast for a day and then do a dry fast for a day. So I'm actually thinking about that. Don't hold me to it. I don't know if I'm going to do it yet, but I'm thinking about going ahead doing a 5-day within the next 2 or 3 weeks, depending on how I feel. I want to do a 5-day water fast with 3 days dry in the middle, something like that. Maybe it'll only be 2-day dry fast. Those dry fasts after the 2nd and 3rd day, they really start to suck. I mean, suck bad, but you're getting a lot done. You're burning some serious fat. I would say on the 2nd or 3rd day of a dry fast, I wouldn't be surprised if you're going through a pound of fat a day, because your body wants to make that water. It's sitting there and wants to make that water because you're not taking in any water, and it's breaking down that fat quick. All right, folks, that's the end of the video. Thanks for stopping by. If you made it all to the end, do me a favor. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.